We got this USA smoke by Miracle for the Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day, everybody. Oh shit. Should probably move this. Wow. The wind's really carrying it. That's pretty cool though. Red, white, and blue. They actually got it in the right order. Red, white, and blue. Let's get on the other side of this. Oh yeah, that's neat. That's really cool. There's the white's done. Here goes the red. The red's kind of wimping out. The blue's gonna be the last one to stand. There goes our blue. Our blue's going out now. That's pretty decent.